welcome back to my channel for another YouTube video with your girl, my boogie period poo boo bye. Today's YouTube video, I'm gonna be doing the claw clamp, like Pinterest style. They did, like, I don't know if you've seen it, I'll put a picture up, but basically they do a slick back, put it up, you know, it's like a nice, like, you know, fashionable, I guess, or whatever. But I'm gonna show y'all all the products I'm gonna be using today. And yes, I'm a little bald on the eyelashes, I know. But if you guys are new here, hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Like, I love you already. Boo bye. Like, connect the heart. Are you gonna connect it? Are you gonna connect it? Okay, if you guys are returning here, welcome back to my channel. I've been gone for a long time and I got 2 words for that: my mental and school came. But I'm back now, and I promised y'all, I promised myself that I was gonna get back posting for y'all, because YouTube is such a passion of mine and I just enjoy posting like about hair, like hair content for y'all. And I'm hecka quiet because it's like, what time is it? It's 9, almost 10 o'clock in the morning. So later on in the video I have more energy. But I'm about to show y'all what I'm about to be using today. And we're not using no gel at all. I mean, we're using a styling gel, but not like an eco or anything like this. But I'm gonna show y'all all the products I'm using in just a second in the slow-mo, so y'all could stop the video, pause the video, take a screenshot of if you want to use any of these, because I definitely recommend any product that's up here. So yeah, and I have a community tab now, so make sure you guys are, what's the word, are keeping up on my community tab. And hopefully these comments are on, but if they're not, we got a community tab, so that ain't gonna stop us. Make sure y'all comment down below whatever videos y'all want next. And I'm back posting for y'all. I believe that we can get to 1K by the end of the school year. I believe it, and I'm manifesting it. 100 new family members. Like, I love you guys so much, and I appreciate each and every one of you that have been rocking with me since my little break. It's been months, like so long since I've posted, and I'm just thankful for y'all, and I want to show my appreciation for y'all. Like, I really love y'all. So I'm gonna be back posting for y'all. I don't know a schedule yet, but just know new videos weekly. All right, without further ado, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna turn my music on. We're gonna do a voiceover, and yeah, we're gonna get it started. Like, I love you guys. Okay guys, so I'm going to start by oiling my part, because I did this style the previous day, and you always want to make sure to oil your part, because that's where it can get dry the most, and that's where the new growth is coming from. So make sure you always oil your scalp and your parts when you do slick backs, because if you don't oil anything else, oil that scalp. But as y'all see right here, I'm just going in and fixing my part. I was going to do a zigzag, but I cut it out the video because I was really struggling on that, and we didn't need to see that. So yeah, I'm doing my little part, and then I'm gonna just tell you what I'm about to do. I'm about to spray my whole hair and detangle my whole head, put some mousse in it and put some styling cream in it, and that's what I'm about to do for a couple minutes for y'all, or seconds. And I know y'all saw that, it went in my face, I know y'all saw that, but we gonna focus on the rest of the video. But start by having your hair detangled nice, and if you hit my hair straight in the front, it's not damaged, it just has a lot of product in it, so it's stiff. So that's why I was spraying it out, because it's equivalent to rinsing it out. So yeah guys, so I'll catch you back in a little bit. Okay, so right now what I'm doing, it's called, well, I call it a pre-slick. So I brush it up and then I'm gonna put it in a false ponytail. So don't think this is how the slick back is gonna look, y'all. This is just what I call a false ponytail, a false slick, because I get it in the ponytail and then I'm able to mold it from there, and that's what you're gonna see me doing. But here I'm just doing a false slick, and if you guys haven't done it before, I recommend you doing it because it allows you just to mold your hair into the ponytail, and then at the end just swoop in and ponytail it and get it all done. But yeah, you see me in that mood. Yeah, okay, If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't, why are you still here? Are you a hater? Okay then. But let's get back into the video. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like a horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for waking up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I confess, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on take you there, take you there, take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, said our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't let you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on take you there, take you. Alright guys, hold on, let me show y'all. This is the finished look. Don't mind me, I'm about to go somewhere, but I just took my scarf off of waiting. But let me show y'all real quick. I feel like it's cute. I feel like it came out really good, y'all. Like, I feel like it came out really good. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share my channel. Have my post notifications on. Period. Like, I love you guys already. And I really hope you guys like this video. Like, I really did. I put so much effort into this video. And if I'm shaking the camera a lot, my hand's getting tired. But I love y'all guys. I love you guys so much. And you know who I am, my boogie. Like, boo bye. I love y'all so much. And stay tuned for the next video. And have a great Christmas, y'all. I'm probably going to post again before Christmas. Or after Christmas. I don't know when I'm uploading this. But I'm filming this video on the 20th. So, we'll see. So, yeah, that's the finished product. I really hope you guys liked this video and tuned in for it and everything, okay? And I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. I'll put some pictures at the end so y'all could get a real, glimpse of it. So, bye, y'all.